where the Mustang came from, and where it's going. The story keeps getting better. Let's take a look back at the 2016 Cobra Jet Mustang. Like its predecessors, the Cobra Jet was a factory-built race car legal for National Hot Rod Association and Superstock drag racing, as well as several classes in the International Hot Rod Association, National Mustang Racers Association, and National Muscle Car Association. Also, like its predecessors, the Cobra Jet was limited to 50 units, making the 2016 edition among the most collectible Mustangs ever. But it gets better. Now get this. The 2016 Cobra Jet was sold as a performance part without a VIN. Customers could order one by submitting a placeholder order through any North American Ford dealer. MSRP for the base car was $99,990. The graphics option cost $19.95, and a wheelie bar cost $19.95. Those were the days.